Hey, hey, hey! It's another low light day. That's what I love doing, sharing the fun in low light to you so you can get an idea. Hey, Fish, I'm really interested. Oh man, what can be more better than what you have? Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. Oh man, that was a bus screeching out loud. It was really noisy. So anyway, when I use my editors, Magic's Movie Edit 2023, and when I use Power Director 2024, one takes longer than the other. Can you guess which one takes longer? Showtime! Maybe I don't have to yell now. There's no other noise around me that just comes by every 10-11 seconds when I use the camera. Man, the noise! For me, putting stuff into Power Director 2024 and doing the work takes a longer workflow. While Magic's is a lot faster, everything is right there for you. When I want to do a crossfade, just a fade, a transition, and I just bring two tracks to the timeline, and I just drag track 2 over part of track 1, it's created. Power Director 2024, you just bring it onto the line, drag it, and then you have to hit a crossfade. In Magic's, when I want to enlarge a video, right? I have to go to effects, I have to go to the size area, and then I have to hit effects, and then I'm able to enlarge it. Now if I wanted to rotate it, I got to go a different area. Now with Power Director 2024, all I got to do is just hit the picture, the video, enlarge it right then and there, and rotate it 1, 2, 3. So yeah, you can see one program has something over what the other program doesn't have, and vice versa. And Magic's doing chroma key. Not easy. I do something I want to do my subscribe thing with an overlay, put black on there. It don't do it right at all. Yeah, just go in Power Director 2024, choose it, put the black on there, it's done just like that by finding the location where it's at. Edit. Video, chroma key, done. It's just like picking a GoPro Hero 12 or picking a DJI Action 4, the Osmo. The choice is yours, which you like to work with. I want an easy camera, shoot and go, something real fast to start up, the Osmo Action 4. I want something a little slower that takes a little bit more time. Well, yeah, the Hero 12. I want to do like night light painting or vehicle lighting. Then I got to use the GoPro. I set a profile up and it's done. With the Osmo Action 4, I think you got to go into time lapse and check the night. And, good luck in trying to do a light painting, vehicle lighting with that camera. Just to throw another one out there for you. Live stream, man. Let me tell you, use the GoPro. Oh man, you're done in like a minute's time. Do the DJI Osmo Action 4. Forget it, man. You can't even get there or even have a chat with your community with that camera. No, I'm not talking schmack. I'm just telling you like it is. The truth that's out there. You can watch people's videos and they're out there filming. They won't tell you how they do it. And I'm not going to try to guess how to do it when it takes forever. Well, I'm here with the editors and I'm trying to do the best, and I got some good footage on there. Did a nice job. And like I say, Power Director is very, very good. But they don't cater to YouTube. They put some other things on there on the basic PD22. And Power Director 2024 has some YouTube things. But you know what? Social bloggers, we're mostly on YouTube and we share our videos there. And there's hardly anything that there is for us with the Power 22 lifetime version. I don't want to get my feet or the pedals or the wheels or the brakes full of sand. I'm going to just mosey along, maybe go for a different shot. So let's get on out of here. Yeah. Going to a high place. Oh yeah, man. Look how pretty this is. Now let me spin around so you can see the brightness. I left my helmet on. Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. How you like that view? So the sun's gonna come up over here, right? Should do a nice job. And that's where the sky's brighter and it's darker over there. I see a star. Another star. Another star. A star. And two more stars. And one is moving. Ooh, that's an airplane. With all this light pollution where we live, I probably didn't see that many stars in many years. And it's the first time I noticed a number of stars in the sky. But when I was out in Mississippi, oh yeah, man, let me tell you, I'm working midnights out there. It took us hours to get. Man, you just shut the light off. Oh my. I saw so many stars. Oh, what a sight it was. And you can see shooting stars all night long. Oh, I'll remember that moment night after night. I'm watching a plane. It's going out to wherever it needs to go out. And it's banking. And the airport's not far, so they do take off one after the other. And there it goes. It's not a cat. Those are possums and raccoons, man. I should go follow them. Raccoon. And they were coming from the water, crossing. Impossible to quickly hit the record button again on the Osmo Action 4. And that was what I got. I had to quickly swipe up to hit the record button while it speed recorded. Oh yeah, breakfast time at Applebee's. Yeah, lights are on, the lights are off. Oh yeah, get on out of here, go have some fun, and continue on. I got a lot of editing to do on this video. Not that hard to do when you just piece part things together and off you go. That's what editing's about, having fun, besides filming. I said a lot, I did a lot, I talked a lot, and I shared a lot of video to you, having some fun with the editor and the camera and all that good stuff, and hope you got something out of this video that you may have learned about. It's not about the editors that I use, but what you use and what you like. Resolve 18, Adobe, Final Cut Pro, CapCut, and more. These editors all do a nice fine job. A free editor that does it all with a lot of stuff built in is CapCut. And you have a lot of little things that pleases people over. And it has a monthly charge. I would check that out if you are looking for an editor to get used to. Well, I am Fish, and I thank you for tagging along. I hope you liked the video. Show a like, show a thumbs up, show a share, show a show. And on that note, I'll catch you on many other videos to come. I'll see you on the next one.